Hi, my name is Miriam Bogler, founder and CEO of Project Pulse. In this video, I'm going to describe how to work on the Cooking the Food tab in the So You Want to Be a Chef project. Cook one of the recipes of this culture. Each team member can cook their own food and do your own presentation on the workspace. In that case, each of you will present it in a separate event. Alternatively, the team can decide that just one team member will do the cooking, but the rest of the team will help with presenting it on the workspace. As you cook, capture your work with your camera. Upload the images or videos to the media section. You can present your work by either using our event tool or by using the visual display on the workspace, which also allows you to present videos in the annotations. If you decide to use the event tool, describe each step of your preparation and add the relevant images to each step's description. If every single team member will do their own cooking, then you will probably need an event for each of the participants. You can display the work by using the Events tool gallery mode. So there is a gallery mode here, and that will present the images in big. So if I click here, that will really present it very big. Right now there's no image, that's why you see just an image placeholder. But once you add the images, it's going to be very impressive. So you should probably consider that. If you decide to use the visual display, then replace the images on the workspace with your images and lay them out to show the entire process step by step. Use the annotation tool to describe each step. So this is where you can describe, and here you can put a video. So it doesn't, right now you can actually put a video here. So if you record every step and you record a video of every step, you can actually put the videos in here. Use the relationship tool to connect between the steps. Like here, like in this example. Open the tab's instruction box to learn how to use the event tool, the text tool, and media and annotation tools. Thank you, and I hope that this helped you understand how to work on the Cooking the Food tab in the So You Want to Be a Chef So You Want to Be a Chef project.